How to change font size in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts of the books. First of all, open the application. Now you can select any of the book or select the book that you're reading. So here I'm tapping on one. It will take some time and here it is. So this is the basic font that is automatically enabled. Now simply double tap on this interface. Here on the right top, you can see this AA button. So simply tap on it. So this is the section where you'll be able to customize your text and your fonts. So here on the bottom you can see a slider that is available. So this is the slider that will help you to increase the size of font. So here you can increase it to the point that you like. So it is more beneficial for older people or people who cannot see properly. So as you can see, it has been adjusted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.